Hello traders, welcome back to the channel. So I know it's been a while since we uploaded a video, but trust me, we're going to be changing that soon. Right here is a video just to explain the way our Discord works, right? So it's just going to be a rundown of the basics. If you've never used Discord, hopefully this will help you get up to speed, especially with the Investors Talk Discord channel. A little rundown of Investors Talk. We are a free trading community that focuses on developing traders and becoming better traders. So if you don't know anything and you want to know where to start learning, this is the perfect place for you. So to my members that have been here for a while, I'm going to give you guys a more in-depth guide of how our Discord channel works and where you can go to find certain information. So without any further ado, let's hop right into the video. Okay traders, so here we are at the Investors Talk welcome page, which is our disclaimer. And our disclaimer basically is just stating that you're taking all trades in this Discord off of your own free will. And we're not, like I said, we're not telling you what to buy, right? We might, throw what our positions are on certain stocks out there, but that's no means for you to go copy our positions. We're not saying doing that. We won't tell you to go buy something, So rules, these are our rules of our Discord, the basic stuff, no racism, no, spamming, none of that stuff. If you violate the rules, you'll be muted. And if you violate them again, you'll be permanently banned from our server. In the general chat, this is where we talk about everything. Anything that we see in the news, anything going on with any stocks in the day, we'll just throw it out here. It's just a quick, way to read and interact with the community. And then below that, you have our bio, which you can learn about the trade team and stuff like that, and kind of get an idea of where we come from and how long we've been trading. Below that, you have our social media links, which is where you can join our Facebook group, our Twitter, our YouTube pages, other YouTubers that we work with. It's all there. Here we have our, this is personally like my side of it. If you guys if you don't have a broker and you're wondering what brokers you can go through, right here you can choose between Robinhood, Webull. They're both pretty decent free brokers, except for the current events that Robinhood is going through. I definitely recommend choosing Webull. Then you have our Forex channel. We talk about Forex, politics, stuff like that. PineScript, this is something that we are working on a trading or another trading platform called TradingView. It's basically like the development of your own indicators and whatnot. Then we have stock alerts, which we are setting up for and like a free alert service. Basically, if you like alerts, we have them for free. The YouTube videos where our content creators put some of their content here. Then we have our news channel where we have news on certain stocks. We have a bot that you can actually type and request the news from, and it will give you that. Down below we have our crypto talk and stuff like that, where people talk cryptocurrency and stuff like that. But don't be afraid to, if you have like a general question on crypto, you can throw it in the general chat. Excuse me. So in general, like I said, you can talk about anything. Crypto, if you want to just talk about crypto, you can keep it in here. Then we have our memes and stuff like that. And then we have our results, our gains on the week and stuff like that, where you can see people making money. We also have our losses too, so there's also a flip side to every coin. But these are some gains from this previous week. Some pretty insane calls. Like there's a $3,800 return on an AMC position somebody had this week. Trade results is where we kind of talk about other things like how we took a trade and why it happened. Then we have our education portion, which is super important for new traders to go in here and look. We've put so much time into developing these channels. And if you're starting out and you want to know like where to start, like from the very beginning, I recommend you come into this channel. It's called Plum School of Hard Stocks. Basically, it's put together, and the guy that built this was one of my mentors, and he came in here and put every video that he could find that helped him learn. And he's been trading for quite some time now. So if you start at the top and watch it to the bottom, you're going to be better than 80% of the traders on the market, and you didn't have to pay no money. You didn't have to do anything like that. So in trading, you really get what you invest in. Your time invested will reward you greatly. I would like to put it that way. Then we have our Thinkorswim videos, basically how to get started with Thinkorswim if you use TD Ameritrade and you want to use their platform to do your stock analytics or trade. We have Webull videos on how to set up your stuff like that, how to do certain things on Webull, add indicators, set stop losses, stuff like that. Then we have courses that anyone can see. These are some pretty expensive courses that we've managed to get our hands on and just give them away. Then we have Amateur Hour, which we used to have a buddy in here. He was doing his project. I just haven't moved this channel yet. We have our Stockbot channel, where basically you can ask the bot to give you certain informations on certain stocks. As you can see here, it's like support, resistance levels, Fibonacci levels. It'll draw anything for you. Then you have our Norox Layer, which is basically one of my mentors that is doing a small account challenge. He's been doing this for about a year now. and he's made some pretty great returns, basically starting with a very low amount of money and following proper risk management and stuff like that, like every trader should do. Focusing on the fundamentals. So that's pretty big. So if you want to learn how he did it, you can follow his trades, ask him. He's always willing to answer questions like that. He also has a YouTube channel, and he's got videos and stuff like that of himself when he does his streams and YouTube videos. He puts them here exclusively. So if you like his content, you can feel free to watch him here. And then we have our traders chat, which is like our exclusive for our trade team. So I'm not going to share that. And then below that we have our discussion, like voice discussion channels, which we're usually in some days during the week. But other than that, I just wanted to make a quick video on how explaining how our Discord works. So if you join it, you can also get it on the phone. It's pretty much the same layout and stuff like that. But yeah, we hope to see you here, and thank you for watching the video, and we hope to see you here on the weeks to come. If you're not here this week, well, whenever you decide to watch this video and join, we would look forward to meeting you. So take it easy, traders, and I'll see you in the weeks to come.